Welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you how to research and analyze your industry and competition before writing business plan. For your business to be successful, it is essential that you comprehend the market you are working in and your competitors. We explain how to investigate and evaluate your industry and competitors for your business. Where do you begin first? It's critical to study and comprehend the business environment you operate in, including the major players, problems and trends in your industry you operate in, including the major players, problems and trends in your industry. And what services or products do they provide? What are the current trends and problems facing your sector? What are the main factors influencing demand for your goods or services? To investigate your sector, a range of sources, including trade publications, industry studies, and online resources, can be used. It's a good idea as well to consult industry professionals and look for trade or industry associations that might offer insightful discussion. Once you have a solid grasp of your sector, it's crucial to study your competition. This involves knowing who your rivals are, what services they provide, and how they position themselves in the market. To do this, you should ask 4 key questions. 1. Who is your principal rival? 2. What are their advantages and disadvantages? How do they position themselves in the market? Is number 3. And number 4. What pricing policies do they employ? To research your competitors through a range of sources, such as their websites, are available to you online, evaluations and social media accounts. To better understand your competitors, it's a good idea to speak with customers and industry experts. It's important to regularly review and assess your competitive position because doing so can help you spot any weaknesses or areas for improvement and develop strategies to address them. Once you have a solid understanding of your industry and competition, you can use this information to position your business in the market and differentiate yourself from your competitors. This can help you attract and retain customers and ultimately drive the success of your business. When performing a competitive assessment, some questions to think about would be how your product or service compares to that of your competitors in terms of quality, pricing, and features. What are your competitive advantages, and how can you use them to differentiate yourself from the competition? What are your weaknesses in the marketplace, and how can you overcome them? Understanding your target clients and their demands is a crucial component of studying your market and the competition. To better understand your target clients, take into account what they need from a product or service and how your company can provide it more effectively than its rivals. Doing market research is an excellent idea. This might involve using techniques like surveys, focus groups, and customer interviews. By using this information to better understand your consumers' requirements, tastes, and behavior, you may create marketing and sales plans that will appeal to them. Stay tuned for more updates.